Alright, we have got one big bad dust storm going here. Just came in. It was bright as can be, you know, a little before 8 o'clock. Sun's still up normally. Now it's just a crazy pitch black dust storm. Can't see more than 10 feet. Looks like some kind of apocalypse movie, I swear. You know, occasionally see other cars. I just dropped my son off at the karate class and didn't even get halfway home. I think I'm going to go back and sit and wait at the school so I don't have to go through this when I come get him. But man, I've never seen anything like this. There's a construction sign just blasted all over the road there. Some street lights at least here. Yeah, these are paved roads with just an inch of dirt on them probably. Crazy. Nut job on a motorcycle.